Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. We had a conversation about Pepe yesterday, and today is a new day, and a new day has already made even more strong statements. We're making better and better progress as far as I'm concerned. So we have 3 days of consolidation actually, and then we stopped to the doji. Yesterday you made a green closing, and it actually looks like everything is actually pretty good. Okay, it's really, really good. As I said before, I'm really surprised that Pepe is pulling off some very, very good progress out there. Even though it's a meme coin, people may underestimate what it is. Even I personally didn't consider Pepe a big deal because I'm not trading Pepe too much. But the thing is that I have to give credit that this thing is really, really strong against so many coins out there. So if you see the all-time high, 1090, and right now it's just a 19.86% difference, right? But if you look at Luna Classic, we have almost like 50-60% difference. If you look at Matic from the all-time high, we have 70% difference. Even if you look at SHIB as well, it hasn't actually matched up with Pepe. If you look at Bonk, it hasn't really matched up with Pepe. So this is actually something that is kind of mind-boggling. Now, thing is, what I want to say is that Pepe might be looking forward to come back up to the all-time high, break above the all-time high, and try to continue up. But the thing is, given that there's one last place to break, one final place, and that's actually going to be this right over here, okay? So if you manage to break above, let's just say, number one is that you don't want to come down to 744, right? So that's the first case. The second case is if you end up coming up to 920, that's when, if you take this out and you retest again, that is actually very, very easy move up to 1079. And you can have yourself an amazing 20% trade to the upside. And I kind of believe that we might even push up to the 1200 departments as well. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.